How far my people? Now Pidgin Vibes news you dey watch. Now your sharp correct Naija picking they bring on a tonight night news recap, February 20, 2026. For politics matter, talk the hot for Abuja as National Assembly debates full subsidy adjustment again. Military say them recover weapons and rescue kidnapped villagers. Opposition they drag the proposal, say it go increase hardship for Nigerians. For security gist, fresh operation for Borno State as troops neutralize suspected insurgents. For economy side, Naira shows small strength against dollar today. Market traders for Lagos say food prices still the pepper body. For MPFL side, title race they hot as top clubs they drag points. Social media they buzz with crews, memes and gbos everywhere. Nigerians for Lagos and other states they react say cost of living done too high. Reports show say some suspected cult members done they arrested after recent clashes for Benin City. Don't forget to follow us for our different social media handle. Just search for Pidgin Vibez, you go see us. That now your night news recap. Follow Pidgin Vibes, like, share, nick everywhere for sharp.